Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Adobe Express brand templates for your clients, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Adobe Express application. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your projects. Locate the brand templates section on the sidebar. Click on the brand option to access the brand settings. Select Create a new brand to set up a template for your client. Input your client's brand name in the designated field. Upload the client's logo by selecting the Upload button. Choose the primary colors that represent your client's brand. Add any secondary colors if required for their design aesthetic. Select the fonts that align with your client's branding. You can choose from the available font options or upload custom fonts. Once all brand elements have been added, click on Save. Return to the main dashboard to start creating a template. Select Create New Project to begin designing. Choose a template size that fits your client's needs, such as social media posts or marketing materials. Begin customizing the template using your client's brand colors and fonts. Incorporate the uploaded logo into your designs. Ensure you maintain consistency with the branding throughout the design. Once satisfied with the design, save it under the client's name for easy access. Share the template link with your client for their review. Encourage feedback to make any necessary adjustments. Finalize the design and ensure it's ready for your client's use. Repeat the process for any additional templates your client may need. This ensures a cohesive brand identity across all their projects. You have now successfully configured Adobe Express brand templates for your clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.